Gentlemen, the objective is clear. We strike these targets at 0400 localized time. Failure is not an option.
Move that equipment now. We need this clear for launch.
Roger that. Mobilizing to checkpoint Charlie.
All jets, confirm loadouts and await instructions. Hydraulics check complete. Systems green.
Flight deck is clear. Move to Cat 3.
Copy that. Hornet 3-0 cleared for launch.
We need to verify the connection tolerances on the primary control board.
Check the schematic for revision 7.
This system integrates tracking and engagement across the entire battle group.
And that includes fire control for the Hornets?
The integration of the THAAD system enhances the Patriot's lower-tier capabilities significantly.
What about the radar cross-section at altitude?
Secure the conduits on the left side.
Applying torque now. Systems check green.
Conduit 5-9er is disconnected. Documenting the sequence now. Pressure levels nominal. Check the pin configuration.
Confirmed. Recording the serial number.
Make sure you get a photo before we move to the next section.
Phase 2 protocols complete. All systems nominal on my end.
Good. Recording successful diagnostic.
Confirmed. System integrity verified. Data stream is stable. We have a confirmed lock. Good. The system is operational.
Activation sequence complete. Tracking initialized.
Guidance system shows full operational capacity.
Test successful. Logging the results now.
We've verified the electrical load balance. The system is stable.
Confirmed. Reliability metrics are holding steady for T- sequence. Data logs confirm stability. Finalizing connection on the starboard fin.
Copy that. Securing the conduit now.
Meter shows green on the servo connection. Yep. Lock it down. Moving to the guidance package harness.
Initiating flight systems check. Confirming NavCom. Guidance internal. All systems nominal. We are green for launch. Telemetry stabilizing on circuit 2.
Reading confirmed on the primary display. System shows green across the board.
Tighten connections on the blue wire harness. Torque to specifications.
Confirmed. System stabilization check initiated.
Is the payload secured for transport? Confirmed, Commander. Ready for deployment. Position looks good. Secure the load. Roger that. Securing main cylinders now.
Ensure the coupling is fully seated before cinching the clamp.
It's seated. Securing the clamp now.
Lower the starboard crane slowly.
Copy that. Moving into position.
Watch the clearance on level 3. Crane, lower the starboard component slowly.
Copy that. Moving into position now.
Alignment checks are green, ready to secure.
The wing sweep mechanism seems mostly intact.
Yeah. We'll still need to reinforce the hydraulics before we finalize the display position.
Check the hydraulic pressure on auxiliary 1.
Reading stable at 5,000 psi.
The guidance system here revolutionized precision targeting.
Yes.
And the folding wings meant it could be launched from virtually any modern vessel.
The azimuth alignment is off by 0.2 degrees.
Recalibrating the IF gain now. Check the side lobe readings.
Side lobes look good. Lock it down.
Check the frequency on channel 3.
Reading nominal. Recalibrating the servo trim.
Stand by for system lock.
Targeting sequence initiated.
Coordinates locked. Tomahawk ready for launch.
Stand by for final authorization.
Radar confirms multiple incoming ballistic missiles.
Lock onto targets. Finalizing coordinates. Prepare to launch interceptors.
Fueling secure, disconnect. Final check complete. Clear for launch. Verify manifest Delta 7. Clear the bay doors.
Confirmed. Moving to staging area now.
Alignment looks good. Securing the conduit now. Verified against the diagram. Connection successful. System synchronization confirmed.
Clear left side, clear right. Bring it back slowly. Watch the ramp.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch your spacing.
Steady, steady. Almost there.
Contact made. Locking mechanisms engaged.